That's fun. This is cute. We'll have to do this later today when you get home from school. Oh, Mommy used to love these when I was little. I think you take water, right? Hold on.
Water?
Yeah, you paint with water. Hey, all right, so we're moving right along with Vlogmas. I have to go to the grocery store. Just got to go to Walmart to get 2 things for dinner. We're having lasagna, which Byron has this recipe on his channel, but he's making dinner tonight and he needs basil and the pasta. So I'm gonna go get that. Then I'm gonna pick up the kids from school. And yeah, today I had to clean the house and learn a lot of songs. I take the daytime to get into my routine, which is gonna look really, really, really consistent. We'll try to make Vlogmas interesting, but also I just have to keep it real that I'm trying to really stick to goals. And the only way to really accomplish certain goals is to stay hyper focused on them. I'm gonna join the YMCA here in a few days. I've been waiting for them to have their free sign up. The whole family can join and there's lots of fun activities for the kids too. So I'm excited for that because there's a lot of great classes and soccer in the spring and lots of fun things. So we're going to our local Walmart right now to get everything that we need. All right, I got what I needed. Now, I typically do my grocery run on Tuesdays, so I didn't leave myself enough space today, and I go to Aldi and not Walmart here where we live now. I used to do Trader Joe's and Aldi, But Trader Joe's just isn't close, and I don't want to drive a half an hour to go to Trader Joe's. So I like Aldi. I can find mostly everything we need at Aldi. I do miss Trader Joe's a little bit, just because, I don't know, I've always been a Trader Joe's fan. But I like Aldi too. And price point wise, it's pretty close. It's pretty similar for our family of 4. We spend about the same on groceries. All right, so I always like to be early in the pickup line, if not first, but I'm definitely not first today. I'm like 15 minutes early. So I'm gonna listen to more of the Spotify playlist for the next 15 minutes. And then, yeah, we're gonna go home after. It's a pretty gloomy day. I gotta say, like, I do miss the sun. I miss the sun a little bit. I'll be excited in the spring when we could be like outside in the garden and all of that. But there's cozy vibes to appreciate during this time of the year as well. And it's been nice to experience the seasons. I've been really enjoying it, and the fall was just on another level. It was so gorgeous. What you making?
Got a little lasagna action going on. Apparently Oliver really likes lasagna.
I hit the jackpot, ladies. I hit the jackpot. Woo!
I ain't arguing.
Gotta love these dollar store finds from our Christmas advent.